Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our guide on replacing the motor in your Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner. This process requires some technical knowledge, but with our step-by-step instructions, you'll be able to accomplish it with ease. Let's dive in. Tools needed *. Screwdriver set, including T15 and T20 Torx. Flathead screwdriver. Pliers. Replacement motor for Dyson V11. Cleaning cloth. Safety goggles. Step 1. Disassemble the vacuum. Start by unplugging your Dyson V11 from the power source. Carefully remove the dust bin by pressing the release button. Next, use the T15 Torx screwdriver to remove the screws securing the main body of the vacuum. Keep track of all screws, as you will need them for reassembly. Step 2. Access the motor. With the main body disassembled, locate the motor housing. Use the T20 Torx screwdriver to remove the screws holding the motor in place. Gently lift the motor out of the housing, taking care not to damage any wiring. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. Step 3. Clean the interior. Before installing the new motor, use a cleaning cloth to wipe down the interior of the vacuum. Remove any debris or dust that may have accumulated. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new motor is installed. Step 4. Install the new motor. Take your replacement motor and place it into the motor housing. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that all connections are tight and properly aligned. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 5. Reassemble the vacuum. Now that the motor is in place, it's time to reassemble your Dyson V11. Carefully reattach the main body, ensuring all clips and connectors are secure. Replace the screws with the T15 Torx screwdriver, making sure everything is tightly fastened. Step 6. Test your vacuum. Plug in your Dyson V11 and turn it on. Check for any unusual noises or performance issues. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. No calls, no travel required. Step 7. Final touches. After testing, clean up your workspace and store your tools. It's a good idea to keep the old motor for reference in case you need to troubleshoot later. Additionally, if you need a quote before repair or further assistance, we're here to help. With these steps, you should have a fully functional Dyson V11, ready to tackle any cleaning task. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.